Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about various job openings in Madurai location, and it is from Tamil Nadu. And coming to the jobs, first one, there is a job opening available in Aidin Digital. They are looking for business development executive. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, identifying and securing business opportunities, coordinating business generation activities, developing customized sales strategies, building business relationships with potential clients, and understanding client needs and offering solutions, sending proposals to clients, maintaining lead database, and responsible for multiple outbound calls, closing sales calls, and working with the clients through the process, maintaining short and long term business development plans. And these are the roles and responsibilities. Coming to the requirements and qualifications, digital marketing agency experience preferred, and experience with the lead generation and client management. Excellent verbal and written communication skills are required. Ability to call, connect, and interact with potential customers, and influential and goal oriented, and ability to work under pressure. Must have excellent negotiation and analytical and time management skills are required. And these are the requirements and qualifications, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Kindrel. They are looking for delivery analyst. Coming to the responsibilities, overall ownership of assigned accounts representing all MMS services and deliverables, work with the transition or transformation manager to complete command and control resources allocation and manage relevant documentation, provide operational guidance and strategic direction for the service delivery team, focal point for account team on interlock account issues, deliverables, SLAs, and etc. Act as a escalation point for client and service related issues, and establish overall account DOU with DPE, and maintain or updates or validate DOU each year. Coming to the required technical and professional expertise, knowledge of office tools like Excel, Word, and PowerPoint is required. Preferred experience in application lifecycle management, proficiency in account management and business administration, able to interpret numbers into business performance, derive meaningful insights and crystallize actionable plans to drive results, deliver the numbers in every steering committee meetings for the clients, and bachelor's degree is the required education, and preferred education is a master's degree. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available for human resources executive in Megasoft Business Solutions Private Limited. Coming to the job, that is MBA or BBA degree in HR or equivalent qualifications with a minimum of 2 to 3 years of experience in the IT industry, that is software and BPO is required, and the candidates must have good communication skills, and the salary is not a constraint for the right candidate, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available for video specialist in SKA Enterprise, and they are looking for a person with a background experience in video production and editing, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, There is a job opening available in Environmental Resource Management for the Azure Infrastructure Lead Digital Services mid-senior level. Coming to the responsibilities, support ERM in their cloud operations to enhance, optimize and maintain their computing capabilities across their technical landscape encompassing cloud infrastructure storage, service access setup, network DNS, security and computing. Guide and work with project teams to understand application and infrastructure current state. Document and build best practices and work with IT teams and projects to enforce implementation. Lead team working sessions to identify, categorize, prioritize, and analyze data and information to build cloud migration action plans and solution architectures. These are the key responsibilities. Coming to the requirements, bachelor's degree in computer science, electrical engineering or other technical discipline and 8 years of additional relevant experience is required. Minimum 10 years of IT work experience required. Hands-on experience with Azure, must have used the portal or used CLI and APIs. Minimum of 5 years of experience actively implementing cloud solutions and using Azure services with 2 years of experience actively working as Azure Cloud Admin. And coming to the additional qualifications, is it 1 or 3 certified, Microsoft Azure Administrator, and knowledge of SharePoint and 0365 is required, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in American Express Global Business Travel. They are looking for solution design, additional leadership role, and coming to the key additional responsibilities, leads, monitors and supervise SID engagement team to achieve goals as per organization direction, provide coaching, motivate and inspire the team by creating an environment that promotes positive communication, encourage learning, growth, talent and retention, and ensure the team work in more productive, efficient or effective way, and work closely with SID stakeholders to ensure effective process and highlight or resolve issues may arise, and continuously improve the process and identify trends, opportunities to improve overall process, continuously improve the process and manage escalation coming in from commercial team, and provide SID engagement team states via monthly report. And coming to the additional key requirement, those are leadership and influencing skills are required, and these are the job details, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Swago is looking for the talent acquisition interns, and it is an internship. The qualification will be any graduate, specifically final year students also eligible, and work location will be work from home, and it is a 2 months or 4 months or 6 months internship, and it will be work from home, and flexible timings will be there, and it is also a unpaid internship. And coming to the benefits, the company will offer offer letter, experience letter, letter of recommendation for the exceptional performance, and letter of appraisal and award for the best performer. And interested candidates can apply for this internship by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in app team. They are looking for excellent opportunity for technical support manager, and work experience will be 10 to 15 years required, and qualification will be bachelor's degree or master's degree. Coming to the key responsibilities, provide friendly high quality customer service for their clients, receive client inquiries via phone and email regarding product functionality or problems, assist in researching and troubleshooting efforts including escalations, develop and communicate solutions back to clients within established timelines, provide application and process training to customers, document detailed problem descriptions and resolutions that are provided to the client. Coming to the required skills, 10 years plus experience with ERP, customer service and support is required. Excellent communication and customer focus skills, verbal and written, ability to work with end users and stakeholders on issues and questions, experience in SQL server tools, software installations and software application support, and experience with product support, that is troubleshooting issues over customer environment, setting up environment locally to reproduce and applying service pack or patches to customers environment, and familiarity with the IIS and web portals. Coming to the additional skills, familiarity with Windows based products including SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, Microsoft Visual Studio, Microsoft Team Foundation and Microsoft SQL Server, and experience using the Microsoft Office suite with strong Excel capabilities, experience with software installations, experience with software application support, and should be flexible to work with a UK or US shift. These are the additional skills required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. There is a job opening available in Honeywell. They are looking for software engineers. Coming to the key responsibilities, requirements and design, software architecture and coding, integration, certification, test, feature definition, customer support, verification and validation, and the candidates must have a bachelor's degree in engineering or computer science. And the value for understanding various software development life cycle, demonstrate the ability to develop efficient and high quality software, knowledge of software configuration management and change management practices, diverse and global teaming and collaboration, and effective communicator, can quickly analyze, incorporate and apply new information and concepts, ability to consistently make timely decisions even in the face of complexity, balancing systematic analysis with decisiveness. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next, there is a job opening available in ION Management Services LLP. They are looking for senior sales executive. Coming to the experience, the candidates must be experienced for 3 to 7 years and areas of operations will be down south. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.